Good. Yeah, I'm eating leaves. Here we've got a legend.
Cool. How are you, man?
Good to see you. That pop.
Good to see you too.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is so cool.
So this is Grayson Striker.
This is the GoPro 15?
Yeah, this is also known as
It's
Daddy.
beautiful. Hi, Daddy.
Oh, I was referring to you.
Oh, me.
Yeah, just for the break and then I'm back to work.
Daddy's just eating his fructose.
Oh, you living in
Got to get a bit of fructose in you before you climb a mountain. That's what all the best hikers say.
He likes little balls, little purple balls.
Oh yeah.
Hold on, should I make like a penis like shape with all this?
Is it a little bit run down there or?
Yeah, it was when I was there. But, yeah.
I don't know if I should post this.
Good.
We've got Siska, we've got Lance, and we've got Jordan.
Hey.
Jordan.
Nice.
And Thomas.
Oh yeah, and Thomas. You're going to be my shoes, which are apparently better for the knees, so I'm wearing them. We've got Grayson Straker, Jordan Stewart here, and we are trying to vlog.
Look, a mushroom.
It's an apparatus Bulgarius. Right there.
Is that what you had for breakfast?
Yeah, no.
Oh.
It might make you feel funny if you eat that one.
Oh, okay.
Do you know what this one does if you eat it?
No, no clue.
Good try.
Sure.
Okay.
Go on.
Okay. No.
After you.
We're not here to try.
There's a few there.
We're not here to try mushrooms for breakfast. I still haven't had breakfast today. I think I had that one strawberry I stole off you.
Oh shit, you hungry, bro?
Nah, I'm good.
You didn't bring lunch either.
You don't have much either.
To have these. Last time Grayson and I did this bridge wasn't here, so we have the luxury of not climbing over the rocks. It's quite nice. How do you feel about that?
I feel quite honoured to have this new bridge, making life easier.
It's going to take us just as long because we're like walking with Jordan digging.
Yeah, true. Jordan's looking at plants again.
Yeah, so this is Rhabdothamnus solandrii, Todepo. And it's the only plant that looks like this.
Oh, okay, cool.
There you go. But if you touch it, give it a touch. Feels like
Ooh, quite coarsely.
like a cat's tongue.
Have you touched a cat's tongue before?
No, they just lick me a lot.
Oh, okay.
I get licked by cats.
If you put like peanut butter all over your cock and balls. No, I won't finish it.
So if you've seen my last video, this is my worst nightmare. Steps. You like steps, Jordan?
No.
Jordan doesn't like steps. Do you like steps, Grayson?
I do.
Okay, Grayson is the only one that likes steps.
I love steps.
My legs hurt.
I'm here with my ecologist.
Oh, yeah.
And we're eating leaves.
You can eat it. I trust you. Yeah, you can trust me. It's not very tasty, but you can eat it.
Now. What is the name of this leaf?
Kawakawa.
Kawakawa.
It's quite hard.
Or if you say it slightly different, it's Kawakawa.
Kawakawa?
Yeah, Kawakawa.
Kawakawa?
Yeah, he's gonna eat a berry.
Go on.
Imagine if it's like that movie where you eat the wrong berry.
Oh, it's full of seeds.
Yeah.
It's gone. Ooh. Is
There's not much fruit on that, is there? Nice
Like a snail. No, not really.
Was it nice?
It's alright. It didn't have too much like flavour, but it
Kind of
was
like a PA.
a little bit, yeah.
Pea flavoury. Good stuff.
This video consists of me eating leaves.
It's like a drone shot. It's going up, right?
What do you think, Gordon?
It looks quite wet. I really want to jump off this thing right now.
Shall we keep making our way up?
No, you're hungry. What? You eat. Watch out. You eat, guys.
Leader of the pack now. So I've made it to the top before the pack. I just took off in front of them all, and I'm going to go to the falls now before they get here.
That must look scary down there. Very nice.
Oh, no, sorry.
And then upwards. It's the Three Musketeers in the hay. Doing it though.
Down there, eh? Fuck.
Grayson's on the edge, but I have not enough confidence to be there. He's on the phone too.
Huh? Sorry? Nothing. Fuck, really?
I'm getting back up.
There's no trail
No
through
trail
here.
here. Bush bashing with Lance.
Jesus.
We'll go that way. We're going on a lion hunt and we're not scared. I haven't eaten breakfast. It's midday and we're now going to a secret waterfall.
We're going
And
to a
we've
secret
lost
waterfall.
and we've lost Jordan.
Once again, he's looking at plants.
Yeah. Oh, we found mud. Uh-oh. Do we go over it or under it?
Through it.
Okay. Well, they took off.
So just kind of tear off a bit from the top. The other bugs have been eating these ones already. Go
Okay.
chew on that for a bit.
Oh, I'll just split this out.
What are you already eating?
Steeplejack.
Just chew on it.
Oh, wow.
Spicy?
Wow. Really spicy, but
What's this thing?
quite full of flavour.
Yeah, it's that one.
Right.
That's mountain horopito.
So I can eat that?
Pseudo-Wintera.
Now it's really like,
Maxillaris.
really,
Oh, no,
oh,
not
now it's really
Maxillaris.
spicy. Oh my god.
It gets hotter.
Dude.
When you spit it out, it gets even hotter.
Oh my god, it's starting to really burn.
Could you put it in the curry?
Yeah, you could.
Oh, let's have a
Use
go.
it,
Oh no, I
as a
swallowed it. I swallowed
culinary-
it. Oh dude, it's so hot. Fucking hell. Sorry for the language. My goodness.
Ooh, it does. It just keeps getting hotter.
It does, it keeps getting hotter.
Mm.
You meant
Wow.
to spit it out before it gets too hot, but Grayson, you swallowed it.
Oh,
My
it's
tongue
like
is on
it's stuck
fire,
in my
hey?
it's stuck in my teeth.
Oh dear. Good stuff.
It's
So
great.
if you ever find this again, you just look underside. It's white. You got white underside, kind of reddish. And it looks a lot different once it becomes a bigger plant. They get more like wavy leaves, but otherwise,
Oh,
white underside is pretty
we're
distinct.
eating those. I just like this.
I don't believe you.
Oh.
That's the baby, what is it called?
Lancewood.
Lancewood.
It's a moa tree.
The moa tree. Sick.
Jordan, could you mix these two together?
What?
Could I eat this?
You can eat the berries of that.
Oh,
They just kind of taste like peas though. That's Cuprosma, another Cuprosma, grandifolia.
Wow.
Yeah.
Jordan knows his stuff.
I don't know my
The
grasses
Lancewood?
though.
Baby Lancewood.
my YouTube channel is learning today.
Getting what?
Getting taught things today.
Learn. Really?
Mm. So I'm trying this leaf out. What was it called again?
Horopito.
Horopito, and it's spicy, so you take a bite and you chew on it, and it's like okay for a little bit, and then it gets hotter and hotter, hotter until you have to spit it out, which makes it worse.
Is it getting hotter, is it?
It gets hotter in here. Mm.
Very good. Jordan, what's this? Your fungi species, Jordan?
This looks like a pretty fun guy.
What is it, sorry?
Bracket fungus.
Cool.
They look like pretty good fun guys.
They do. I bet he's very funny.
Very funny. Jordan ate something and he's like, oh, it's a spicy pun. It's like, Jordan.
Wow. Yeah, it probably is because these are plastic.
Wow. Your YouTube channel's to the YouTube?
Jordan Stewart. I think that's what it is. Pretty sure it's just Jordan Stewart.
Mine is Custom Grow 420.
Yeah.
Nice. Look it up. It's the funniest YouTube channel.
Okay. Hidden Falls, Banksy. Go for a swim. We're here following Jordan.
We have Pew Pew. The crown fern. That's all I know about it. That's all you're getting.
Oh, and that's the end of the David Attenborough voice.
Yep.
And here we are. We're lost in the bush again. I don't think this is the track.
I don't think it is.
As long as we stick close to a stream,
Here's a fern.
it's fine.
Hymenophyllum
Can you eat this?
franklinii. You can eat anything once. And this one here is Hymenophyllum dilatatum.
I like that saying. You can eat anything once.
You can.
Hmm.
You can eat this.
Ooh. That's an interesting way to climb it.
kind of the only reason I stayed with them. Because I thought it was, right, we filmed this stuff was going to be, you know, I thought there was the law and that they could enforce that.
Yeah. Narawahia.
No.
I was like, oh, we're not going.
Where did you almost go, Jordan?
On a bus.
To where?
Narawahia or something.
Wow. I just stood there and watched them get on a bus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like a group of people.
We made it to the end of the track, and there's the waterfall there. This car park's full now compared to this morning.
Yeah.
Mm.
You're not
Do you want to? We're closing up the video, Grayson. Do you want to say anything?
Oh, yeah. Later.
Sure.
Arrivederci. Bye. Continue the vlog.
What's up, guys? So this is part 2 of the vlog where Jordan steals Tom's GoPro. GoPro.
GoPro. And that's the end of the video. Goodbye.
Bye.
See ya.